What's up guys, and welcome to the third day of SaaS building process. A quick recap. So on the second day I have done the sidebar, the responsive sidebar to my application, and today I've started my day with creating a linear project. If you do not know, so linear is this kind of the Trello alternative specifically designed for app development. So it's very easy to track your cards. For example, here's my feature card, the bug, and some ideas I would love to implement in my app a little bit later. And here is a very easy to navigate interface. So it's very beautiful. So the second thing I have done is to create a dashboard with V0. If you probably remembered from the previous days, I have created this mock-up inside of the UX pilot with AI, and when I went to V0 this morning, I asked it to create a design, the web design based on that. And here how it looked, and it was pretty good. The only thing there, as you can see, the icons, they kind of like drawn with SVG, I didn't really like. I asked it to change it a little bit. So here's the second version. Now the icons were changed to the lucid icons, so just icon library, and they much more beautiful. And the last thing that I have asked it to do is to recreate the color palette for just the primary color, so it's easier to manage the color management. So let's say I have 25 or 35 different technologies, and I should be looking for unique color for every one of them. So I decided to go with a much easier way. And that's how the dashboard looks in the actual project, as you can see, and it's absolutely responsive. As you can see here, on every screen size it looks good, up to 320, and I think it's beautiful. It's beautiful, just like that. The last thing that I have done today is I created a dynamic routes. For that I decided to use Claude with adding my Git repo. And let me show you. So one of the very important hacks using Claude is try to add your Git repo. As you can see here, I have added my Flashcards repo, and then you can add your code just by choosing files, so you do not have to go and click and paste your files. And I asked it to help me to create the dynamic routes. And as you can see here, I asked it do not to write code yet, just to explain, because it's a very important thing, like at least for myself. I'd like to understand what my code does, and not just simply vibe coding, copy and paste style. So it's not my way. And so it has explained me to how to create a folder structure, and how to change my object, and some other comments. And also it gave me the code for my page, and it worked pretty beautifully, just like this, as you can see here. So it's HTML basics, and now it says flashcards for HTML basics, element and tags, so on and so forth. So my dynamic routes are now in a working state. And the last small thing that I have added is a header with a log out button. So that's it for today, my friends, and see you in the next day. Bye bye.